Let's start with the parent component. Here, we have a template with a button that, when clicked, will set show modal to true. This boolean is used with the v-if directive to conditionally render the modal component. So, when you click the button, the modal will appear. In the script section of the parent component, we first import provide and ref from Vue. Then, we define a reactive show modal state that initializes as false to keep track of the modal's visibility. We also define modal data as a ref object, which stores the data we want to pass to the modal. Next, we use the provide function to make modal data available to any descendant components that want to inject it. Finally, we return show modal to make it reactive in our template. Moving on to the modal component, we have a simple template here. It displays a div with a class of modal, and within it, we're binding the title and content we've injected from parent component. An important aspect here is the close button. It's bound to an event listener that sets show modal in the parent to false when clicked, closing the modal. In the modal script section, we're extracting the inject function from Vue to receive data from an ancestor component. We attempt to inject modal data which was provided by the parent. The component also includes a check to see if modal data is actually provided. If it's not, it logs an error to the console and could handle this situation accordingly, for instance, by providing default data or showing an error message. Lastly, we return data to make it available in the template.